Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, February 5th, 2019. And after taking a little day off yesterday, we are back with our regular news bulletins and videos. Well, if you had a problem with Windows updates last week, you are not alone. And basically, the Microsoft said that the Windows Update issue that many users have reported last week should be fixed, as the problem was an external provider that had corrupted DNS. So for those that had this problem, it should be fixed now because they updated and fixed the problem externally. Also, for those that had problems with the Windows Store, it seems that it was entirely a Comcast problem. Google has said that even though Fortnite decided to distribute its game directly, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, says that nope, the Google Play Store will continue taking 30% cut off of every purchase, and this is not going to change, as some other providers are starting to give more money to developers. It's probably putting some pressure on places like the Google Play Store. Firefox, the next version of Firefox, will actually be giving the silent treatment to autoplay videos. Basically, after Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, now Firefox will actually not allow autoplay videos, so no autoplay and no sound on videos. So basically, this is a good idea. I think everybody agrees about one thing: autoplay videos are totally annoying. Well, there's a new tool that Google has actually made available, and we're going to talk about it because I think it's important, and I will actually make a separate video to show you where to get it and to install it in your browser. Google Password Checkup is a new extension made by Google, and it would tell you if your passwords are safe or if they have been in a data breach somewhere, which is a very good idea. So of course, basically it's going to tell you if a password has been used to simply change your password. Well, YouTube is searching for a way to fix one of the biggest problems with many creators. Basically, there are sometimes gangs, or some people have ways of doing multiple dislikes on videos that are unjustified just for the fun of it. And of course, one of the biggest problems is that some people just click dislike even if they never even watched the video. So Google or YouTube has a few ideas that they want to try, but they're not sure yet. From not being able to click dislike if you have not watched the entire video, to simply removing the dislike button altogether. No decision has been taken yet, but they are looking into the issue. It probably comes from the fact that their retro video of last year had so many dislikes. They probably noticed that some people were clicking dislike just for the fun of it. A interesting thing is happening here in Canada. Some investors in Canada are baffled because the head of a Bitcoin exchange company suddenly died at 30 years of age. The problem is he took away his passwords with him. That means there's kind of really nothing that people can do now anymore. And there's $137 million worth of cryptocurrency that basically aren't able to be exchanged or sold anymore because no one has access to the Bitcoin exchange. So they've given the laptop to some people that can try to hack into it, but this is an interesting aspect of things that could happen with cryptocurrencies. 29 Google Play apps that had been downloaded in more than 4.3 million times. Well, basically all camera apps of some sort, stole private pictures, pushed porn ads to users, and even though these apps have been removed now, once again, it shows that Google and the Google Play Store need to check apps a little more. Apple has agreed to pay France $600 million in back taxes, as the company is being examined almost everywhere in Europe. Many countries had made some deals with the company to have almost no taxes at all to be paid, as the company makes billions of dollars in profits. So I guess maybe this is a good idea. And finally, Alphabet, the mother or parent company of Google, announced its earnings. And although almost all of its different platforms and different services are not really making any money, of course, Google itself is raking in the cash, making the company actually a very profitable company with 22% more revenue year over year. So I guess they're pretty healthy in finance. This was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, February 5th, 2019. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.